My name is Anthony, and I've been a customer of Jay Monday and the Cooling and Plumbing Company for over 10 years, and I couldn't be more satisfied with everything that he's done for me. My most favorite thing that Jay's done for me, above everything else, has been the mini split in the garage. I'm a big car detailing guy, and that has changed my life. I spend countless hours out there, and now I could detail cars all year round. Anytime I need Jay, he's always been there. No matter what time, day or night, weekend, I text him, and usually within an hour or 2 hours, he responds, "What do you need, Anthony?" And then we go from there. And the texts that come out, professional, courteous. When he says they're going to be there, they're here, and they get the job done regardless. Resulting in me recommending Jay not only to my in-laws, which he performed similar work that he's done here, but also my next door neighbor, where he put in a similar garage AC mini split based on my recommendations and referrals, and they were also very pleased with what he did.